Let's say you found a top quality high performing winning product which is very good, and you are sure that this product will work. But on the other hand, if your stores looks very ugly and bad, you will never get any sales. So hi everyone, I'm Nazmul Hassan. I'm a top class dropshipping supplier and agent, also a mentor. I'm working with more than 50 plus clients and also helping our students. Those are making our monthly 10k plus average profit and revenue. And also we have some very good stores, branded stores. So in this video I will show you exactly how you can make a high converting Shopify stores that will very professional, and you will get instantly sales when customer will come to your store. So my friend, Shopify store creation is very simple. Okay, in YouTube I see a lot of YouTuber, ecom guru, dropshipper. This store creation process, they are making very complicated and hard, but no, this is not hard. It's very simple. Only 8 to 9 steps you will make a store. Just follow my video. So first step is just sign up or a Shopify account. Okay, when you will go to shopify.com website, then you will see this dashboard, and in here you will just keep your email address and just click on start free trial. Okay, and after that you will come to this page. Then you will see the setting section. I have already check marked on the red mark, and just follow the red mark area. Okay, no need to go anywhere, just go on setting. This is your second step. Okay, so then you will go to the theme section. In here you will see lot of themes. Just go on visit theme store and just try theme, this test theme. Okay, this is a free theme. On Shopify, many stores, brand stores, they are using free theme. Many people will say you that you need a paid theme, very high budget theme. No, that just listen to me. The free theme is enough. Only the main thing is marketing and the winning product. Okay, and store creation is very basic. I see a lot of very basic design website making good sales. So then you will go to the theme section and just customize. Okay, after the themes you will set up and publish, you have to customize the theme. Okay, so after that you will go to these sections like announcement bars. In here you can write your stores announce like 50% of shipping, and that's it. And then you have to make a good store logo, and just you can also create these types of logo on Canva. No, it's very simple. Every section is very important. You can drag and drop. Shopify is now AI features is very smart. Okay, and then you will make a home page. Okay, this is a home page, and in here you will write what you want to sell, or in ChatGPT you can get everything. And then your next step is the add product. This is the step number 4, create products and collection. You just go on product section and add product. Okay, in add product you will see some main things, that title, description, media, and product category, product type, vendor. This all things you will get from AliExpress. Okay, on AliExpress you can take the every information of title, description, just manually copy paste, and listen only one product at the beginning. Just try. Okay, no need to you need to make, no need to general store, niche store, no need. Just find a viral product, according the viral product the store. Okay, that's it. And then you will test another product, but at the beginning no need to choose 20 products, 30 products and start to add marketing. No, it's not a good idea. So then product adding after done, you just click on active and save. Okay, the product will be added. And some apps that you have to add, like e-commerce landing page builder, this is for high conversion store builder, some ever trust badges. Okay, Google custom fonts. That's all the basic apps. Number 6 is you set up your payment method. This is very important because customers needs to pay. So just go on setting and then payment section, and you can add your PayPal. Okay, if you have PayPal, and if you have like Stripe to checkout, you can also add this. Number 7 is add the store's domain. Just go on setting and then domain section. You can add like domains, like if you have an existing domain, if you have, then just add the domain, okay? Or buy new domain, you can add new domain on Shopify. Shopify, they are providing domains, you can buy from them. And after then we will go to the domain, we will just go to next and the domain will add, and then the last is go to live, okay? So this is the simple basics. It's the design is depends on you, how you want to design your store. Just copy a store, a lot of stores making a good product sales, or then you just copy them. Suppose you find a product from AliExpress, just search on the Google which products you want to sell. For example, I will go on Google, just for example. So right now Labubu is very trending. So Labubu, when I will search, I will see a lot of stores making good sales. So for example, this Amazon, Labubu, yes, Labubu shop. Yeah, this is a shop in France store, okay? So this Labubu shops is making good sales, I can guarantee, because it's now very popular, it's trending. So after you find a good store, just you will copy this stores fully, okay? Fully just copy, no need to, you don't need to creative or no need to expert. Very simple, dropshipping is very simple, okay? But some creativity needs, marketing technique needs, okay? So that's why just copy this stores making, how they are stores making good sales, everything just copy, okay? And then the store's design is depends on you, okay? So thank you my friend. Everything you can comment below. If you need help, dropshipping help, or what product you are choosing or selecting, just comment below, I will help you. And personally you can message me or email me on email, I will help you, okay? Very simple, dropshipping is very simple, okay? But some